ancient knotting techniques passed down through generations. The last one is almost lost. The first one is the pipe clamp knot. Without wire or clamps, we can use this method. Even with high water pressure, the pipe won't come loose. The second one is the ladder knot, primarily used for climbing and mountaineering, electrical and plumbing work. High-altitude descent can be temporarily used as a ladder. The third one is the bucket hitch knot, especially suitable for hanging flower pots and cylindrical objects. The fourth one is the trailer hitch knot, useful for emergency towing. The fifth one is the binding knot, typically used for bundling items, such as tying luggage or bundling wood. The sixth one is the adjustable lock knot, widely applicable, suitable for securing fixed points, towing heavy objects, and emergency rescue. The seventh one is the cross-lashing knot, can be used for outdoor camping, setting up temporary tents or vegetable racks. If you haven't learned these, give it a like and save. You'll need them sooner or later.